Powershell is a command line interface, abbreviated as CLI. It's open source and it's built into both Windows 10 and 11. This video is to introduce you to PowerShell and give you an example of using code to automate tasks. PowerShell can be also used as a scripting language. It's built on the .NET technology. Let's go ahead and launch PowerShell. So let's go ahead and launch PowerShell. So we'll click on the Start Windows button and type the word Power, and we can see the PowerShell app, and we click on that to launch the PowerShell CLI. And now PowerShell is ready to accept commands. It's quite simple. It's built into Windows 10 and 11. So let me show you how to run the command Get-ChildItems using Windows PowerShell. So we go ahead and open the Windows PowerShell and we run the command. So Get-ChildItem for the C drive, OneDrive path on my C drive, and we are using the recursive option and counting files. And I'm going to cut and paste from my notepad. You can do the same, and as you can see, it recursively counts all the files in the OneDrive folder on my C drive. Okay, next let's use the pipe symbol to combine two PowerShell statements, PowerShell commands. So we're going to take the output of Get-ChildItem in the path recursively and count the number of files by passing the output of Get-ChildItems using the pipe symbol to the measure objects commandlet using the count option, and we get the output as follows. So the first part of the command, which is Get-ChildItems, will list all the files recursively in the folder, and the measure object commandlet counts all the files and provides us the output as follows. So I have also put the command in the description so that you can easily copy, cut and paste into your own PowerShell, and I hope this explains